Hello everybody, welcome back. So in our last video, I pretty much gave you an introduction to the senior portfolio and what the senior portfolio is about, what does it entail. And in this video, I'm going to show you something really important. And this is pretty much going to show you where you will be completing your senior portfolio. So you're going to be completing your senior portfolio in two areas. Your first area is going to be in your Google Drive folder, which should be shared with you by myself. Everything is in this folder. Couple assignments, some resources on how to guide you to your portfolio, and on how to support you during the process. And the second area would need to be in your actual senior portfolio, which looks like this. Okay, so you can see the different sections we talked about in the last video. Your 6 sections are found on these tabs up above. So these are the two areas that you would need to put your senior portfolio documents in: your Google Drive folder and in your actual senior portfolio. So you may be wondering, well, how do I get to my senior portfolio and how do I get to my drive? So first off, in order to access your Google Drive and your senior portfolio, or to create your senior portfolio, you need to first log into your Google account. So you go to google.com to log into your account. You click on the sign in button on the top right, and you need to sign in with your student account. So in this case, this student that I'm using gave me permission to use his account. So if you don't have your student email, you will need to get your student email from your counselor or your registrar or any other lead staff from the charter school at your site. And for example, it would be your first name dot your last name, followed by number 01 or 02 or 03 at youthbuildcharter.org. You will click next and you'll enter your password. And for security purposes, I will not release how the format of the password is. Just go ahead and get that from your counselor and registrar. Click next. So in order to access your Google Drive folder, you'll see the little square dots on the top right. You'll click on the dots and go to your Google Drive. So if you go to your Google Drive, you'll see a folder shared with you already. If it's not right here in your drive, it will be in your shared with me right there as well. You have those two sections. So if you click on your folder, you see everything that I talked about a little earlier about where to find your resources and a couple assignments. In order to create your senior portfolio, which is the actual digital portfolio, the second thing that I showed you earlier, you also click on the little square dots on top. You click on the icon that's called Sites. So when you click on the icon called Sites, you will be led to this area. Yours will most likely be blank. So let's go ahead and create a senior portfolio. So follow along by clicking Create in Classic Sites. You need to browse the gallery for more, and you will select the first section on top, which is the YCSC Digital Portfolio. You select the Select tab, name your site. So for our site, Moreno Valley, underscore your name, underscore the month and year you'll be graduating. For example, for this one is MV underscore Damien Ankatar underscore June 2018. If you're from our Desert Hot Springs site, you need to put MV2. After that, you will click Create. It's going to take a few minutes, but it will lead you straight to this site here, which is where I showed you earlier. So make sure these are the two areas that you will be uploading your senior portfolio documents, your career expression inventory, and all the other things I mentioned in the first video. So that is how you create your senior portfolio, and that is how you access your resources and guides and helps for the process of your portfolio.